Hello everybody, it's the end of April, thank goodness. Here's a bit of an overview of what's been happening from a macro perspective, and then we'll zero in on some news concerning e-invoicing largely. So what a challenging month for many businesses, small business owners, especially for those companies making and trading goods. The introduction of tariffs has resulted in fairly significant trade disruptions. There was a sharp drop in container shipments, according to the Port of Los Angeles, that they saw a drop of 33% in their traffic in the last month. US manufacturing is seeing its worst slump since 2020. And companies like General Motors and UPS have withdrawn the reporting of their financial forecasts due to tariff uncertainties. And then firms like Adidas and Electrolux have warned of potential price increases affecting consumer demand. So all looking a little uncertain and a bit scary. This week, on the 28th of April, Spain and Portugal experienced the second national power outage for 2025. The first national power outage was in China in February, when 90% of the population was affected. In Spain, 60% of national power was lost in just 5 seconds. In the UK, the private sector contracted for the first time in 18 months. The manufacturing and services sectors in the UK are experiencing declines from reduced export orders and weakened business confidence. Looking at unemployment, it's looking fairly stable for now in the US, but it has increased in the UK with a net loss of 140,000 jobs between March and April 25. Companies like Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, Uber, Intel, Dyson, Unilever, Casino Group and Workday have all announced layoffs. So this is a bit of a bleak backdrop, but now let's zero in on some e-invoicing news and updates. So number one, staying with tariffs for a bit, please do note that some of our partners like Cooper and Everlara have developed solutions and services to help their clients during these unsettling times. More about those services can be found in the post above. Number two, the 14th of April was a big day for VIDA. VAT in the digital age officially entered into force. Member states will now be able to introduce mandatory e-invoicing themselves without permission under specific conditions. Number three, the French National Assembly rejected a proposed amendment that would have delayed the country's mandatory B2B e-invoicing and B2C e-reporting requirements by 1 year. You'll remember that they're due to go live in September 2026, and they were asking for a postponement to that. Some spectators, however, feel a delay may still be possible given all the work France has to deliver in the next 16 months. Number four, the Polish Ministry of Finance has confirmed that the mandatory B2B e-invoicing system KSF 2.0 will launch in February 2026 as planned, with no further delays. However, VATCalc reports the next draft of legislation has already been postponed by 3 months, raising concerns about the tight timeline. Number five, e-invoicing network provider Pagero shared news about one of its features. Its e-invoicing index compares the value of e-invoices exchanged by companies year on year, shedding light on shifts in commercial activity based on real transaction volumes rather than forecasts or surveys. By analysing comparable companies month by month, the index isolates genuine growth or decline in invoicing volumes. So, for example, in Sweden, the index shows sales rose 16% year on year in March, the 7th consecutive month of growth. So that's positive. Number six, effective June 1st, 2025, Vietnam's latest decree introduces major updates to the country's e-invoicing framework. Number seven, OpenAI's recent introduction of GPT's 4O's image generation capabilities in ChatGPT marks a significant advancement in AI, enabling the creation of highly realistic images. Very exciting for many, but not for finance teams who are already facing a great deal of fraud at the moment. All of this raises concerns about potential creation of fake invoices or receipts. So more for them to be tackling. That's it from me for now, and talk to you soon, and all the best.